Our digital world runs on technology, connecting billions of people and devices every second of every day. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to the late-night streaming of our favorite shows, invisible forces are at work behind the scenes, making it all possible. But few realize that a single company, TSMC, is the master builder behind nearly every major device. Whether it's the smartphone in your pocket, the laptop on your desk, or the gaming console in your living room, chances are, TSMC played a crucial role in bringing it to life. TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is the world's largest contract chip maker, turning the designs of tech giants like Apple and Nvidia into the chips that power our lives. Their expertise and scale are unmatched, making them the silent engine behind the digital revolution. Unlike companies that design their own chips, TSMC specializes in manufacturing, operating the most advanced factories on Earth. These facilities are marvels of engineering, filled with cutting-edge technology and staffed by some of the brightest minds in the industry. These foundries produce semiconductors with features measured in billionths of a meter, making TSMC essential for cutting-edge electronics. The precision and complexity involved are staggering, enabling the creation of faster, smaller, and more efficient devices. When TSMC thrives, it signals booming demand for new phones, powerful computers, and AI infrastructure. The company's success is a direct reflection of the world's appetite for innovation and smarter technology. Its financial results are closely watched by investors and governments as a barometer for global tech trends. TSMC's performance can influence markets, shape policy decisions, and even impact international relations. On January 9, 2026, TSMC released its sales figures for the end of 2025, revealing a year of remarkable growth. The numbers not only reflect the company's achievements, but also the surging demand for advanced chips worldwide. Even with a slight slowdown in December, the numbers highlight the relentless demand for more powerful computing, driven by the AI revolution. Every sector, from consumer electronics to cloud computing, is hungry for TSMC's innovations. Understanding TSMC's 2025 journey isn't just about one company. It's about the foundation of our digital society and the trends shaping our future. The story of TSMC is the story of how technology continues to transform our world. Let's dive into the numbers and the forces behind TSMC's record-breaking year and discover what it means for the next era of innovation. On January 9, 2026, TSMC announced December revenue of $335 billion, about $10.6 billion USD. While this was a slight 2.5% dip from November, it's a normal fluctuation in the cyclical world of manufacturing. The real story is the year-over-year growth. December's revenue was up a massive 20.4% from the previous December. This surge shows that demand for TSMC's manufacturing was far stronger than a year ago. Focusing only on the monthly dip misses the bigger picture. TSMC's momentum is accelerating. The 20% annual jump is a clear sign of expanding appetite for advanced chips. December's numbers are a microcosm of TSMC's minor short-term shifts, but powerful long-term growth. Now, let's look at the full-year results to see just how big this growth really was. The full-year numbers tell the real story, one of ambition, innovation, and relentless execution at the very highest level. In 2025, TSMC reported a record-shattering $381 trillion in revenue, a figure that stands as a testament to the company's global dominance and operational excellence. That's a staggering 31.6% increase over 2024, an extraordinary leap for a company of TSMC's size, especially in such a competitive and fast-evolving industry. This isn't just growth, it's a transformation, fueled by insatiable global demand for advanced chips that power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. TSMC's ability to deliver at scale, with unmatched quality and reliability, makes it the go-to manufacturer for the world's most innovative companies and tech giants. The 31.6% surge reflects seismic shifts in technology. AI, high-performance computing, and next-gen communications are all driving unprecedented demand for cutting-edge chips. TSMC's research and development teams have pushed the boundaries of what's possible, enabling breakthroughs that shape the future of technology. TSMC is often the only company capable of producing these chips at the required scale and precision, setting the standard for the entire semiconductor industry. The $381 trillion figure isn't just a financial milestone. It's a symbol of a world more connected, more intelligent, and increasingly reliant on TSMC's engineering marvels. This performance cements TSMC's role as a linchpin of the global economy, influencing industries and lives across continents. But how did TSMC finish the year? Let's zoom in on the final quarter to see how this momentum carried through to the very end. The fourth quarter of 2025 was crucial for TSMC, with revenue hitting $1,046 trillion. That's a big jump from $868.4 billion in Q4 2024, showing momentum didn't just last, it accelerated. This strong finish proves TSMC's growth wasn't a fluke or front-loaded. Demand stayed high through year's end. Surpassing $1 trillion in a single quarter is a milestone, underscoring TSMC's scale. The robust Q4 sets a strong foundation for 2026, suggesting the demand surge is far from over. Sustained quarterly growth signals a fundamental shift in the market, not just a lucky streak. So, what's driving this relentless demand? The answer: artificial intelligence and advanced computing. TSMC's explosive 2025 growth was powered by the AI revolution. As companies raced to build and deploy AI models, they needed powerful, specialized chips, AI accelerators, that only TSMC could manufacture at scale. High-performance computing, HPC, was another key driver, with supercomputers and data centers demanding ever-faster processors. TSMC's leadership in advanced semiconductor nodes, like 5nm and 3nm, enabled more powerful, energy-efficient chips. Flagship products from smartphones to servers relied on TSMC's latest process technology. The convergence of AI, HPC, and advanced nodes created a perfect storm of demand. This isn't a short-term trend, it's a long-term transformation of the digital economy. TSMC's position as the premier manufacturer put it at the center of this technological wave. TSMC's success is deeply tied to its customers, tech giants like Apple and Nvidia. Apple relies on TSMC to manufacture its custom A-series and M-series chips, powering iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Every new Apple device launch means a surge of orders for TSMC's most advanced process nodes. Nvidia, the leader in AI GPUs, depends entirely on TSMC to produce its cutting-edge chips. The global rush to build AI infrastructure made Nvidia's, and by extension, TSMC's, chips indispensable. This symbiotic relationship drives a cycle of innovation. Apple and Nvidia push chip design. TSMC pushes manufacturing technology. The result? Groundbreaking products, massive sales, and even bigger orders for TSMC. This partnership model keeps TSMC at the heart of every major tech trend. But what happens when some markets slow down? Let's see how AI demand changed the game. Not every tech segment boomed in 2025. PCs and some smartphones saw weaker demand. Normally, this would hurt a chipmaker like TSMC, but 2025 was different. The surge in AI investment more than offset softness in consumer electronics. Tech giants like Microsoft, Google, and Meta bought tens of thousands of high-value AI GPUs, each made by TSMC. These chips are far more profitable than those in many consumer devices, boosting TSMC's bottom line. The industry's health is no longer tied just to PCs and phones. AI is now the main engine of growth. This diversification gives TSMC resilience and stability, even when traditional markets falter. The AI boom didn't just help, it transformed 2025 into a record-breaking year for TSMC. The January 9th sales figures gave us the headline numbers, offering a first glimpse into TSMC's recent performance and sparking plenty of speculation across the industry. But the full story comes with TSMC's upcoming earnings report on January 15th, when the company will open its books and reveal the details that truly matter to investors. Investors and analysts are eager to see profitability details: gross margin, operating margin, and net profit, metrics that go beyond revenue and show the company's true financial health. These will show how efficiently TSMC turned massive revenue into real profit, and whether its cost controls and pricing power are holding up in a competitive market. This is especially important as TSMC ramps up costly new technologies, investing heavily in advanced chip-making processes to stay ahead of rivals. The most anticipated part, TSMC's guidance for Q1 2026, which will set expectations for the months ahead and shape market sentiment. This guidance will signal whether the AI and HPC boom is set to continue, or if growth is expected to slow as demand shifts. Strong guidance could lift the entire tech sector, boosting confidence in chipmakers and their customers worldwide. On the other hand, weak guidance might signal a slowdown, raising concerns about the sustainability of recent growth. The report will also reveal TSMC's capital spending plans, key for understanding its long-term strategy and competitive positioning. We'll learn how much it's investing in new factories and equipment, and where those investments are being targeted. High capex means confidence in long-term demand and aggressive expansion, while caution could hint at uncertainty ahead. Executives will share insights on demand trends, customer relationships, and their technology roadmap, providing valuable context for the numbers. This report will turn raw numbers into a full-color picture of TSMC's future, helping investors and industry watchers understand what's next for the world's leading chipmaker. TSMC's 31.6% revenue growth in 2025 is more than a business milestone. It's a sign of the unstoppable AI revolution. By enabling tech leaders like Apple and Nvidia, TSMC is the foundation of global innovation. Its foundries are where the digital future is built. The AI and HPC boom has given the semiconductor industry a new engine of growth and resilience. As we await the detailed earnings report, the world is watching for clues about the future of technology. TSMC's chips power the tools we use, the breakthroughs that save lives, and the AI that's reshaping industries. The company's success is a vital sign of the health of the entire tech ecosystem. TSMC's journey matters, because the innovation it enables shapes the world we all live in.